Hey there, engineering fans! Today we're taking a closer look at the Enerpac range of portable on-site machining tools. For more than 25 years, in the world of on-site machining, these tools have become known for precision, innovation, and enduring reliability. Throughout the world, Enerpac portable machine tools continue to help on-site machining teams complete critical projects efficiently, safely, and on schedule. Let's take a closer look. This product line features a range of machining tools for industries where reliable performance and achieving precise results are non-negotiable, like oil and gas, power generation, offshore decommissioning, and wind turbine manufacturing. In these mission-critical industries, unexpected downtime is not an option. That's why on-site machining teams rely on flange-facing machines to restore sealing surfaces on pipe flanges and on heat exchangers. And milling machines can be used on the end faces of heat exchangers to precisely resurface corroded division slots. This ensures a tight seal and correct flow distribution of the steam inside. For cutting or beveling steel piping, clamshell cutters clamp around the pipe to deliver precise in-place machining without producing sparks. And when new connections need to be added to live pipelines, hot tapping machines and line stop actuators get the job done safely, with no shutdown required. Offshore decommissioning brings its own challenges. Subsea diamond wire saws make it possible to cut through large-diameter multi-material pipes and casings. And when these need to be lifted, casing pin drilling machines create accurate holes for rigging and removal of these heavy sections. And let's not forget the growing importance of wind turbine manufacturing. In this sector, orbital milling machines deliver accurate, repeatable results on turbine blade root ends, so each blade aligns perfectly with the hub. And finally, many of these machines need to be powered by portable hydraulic power packs, especially if used in a remote location. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more insights from Enerpac. Thanks for watching.